Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do get pitted mission. So let's get started. You will need to do a spreaded eagle like this, hit those canopies and get inside one tube. So just let's get to these canopies. Okay, we have 2 out of 3. It's not that easy, but okay, we got those, and now let's see what we can do with the tubes. Let's try to get into the tubes. Try to do a spreaded eagle and you'll get. It's kind of fun challenge. As you can see, we did that. And now let's try to get spread eagle duration until 12 seconds. And we are going to do this challenge. It's not that easy, but okay, as you can see, we did this challenge. As you can see, we completed this mission. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.